Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set transparent background image in PowerPoint. So click on start and open PowerPoint. So here guys, just click on insert picture. Now select this device. Now select picture from your device, then insert. Now right click on this picture, then click on format picture. Now here select picture. Now make the transparency what you think, approve it, then right click and click on send to back. So as we can see, we can make the background picture transparent in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.